Welcome to the playlist of management and entrepreneurship. The next topic is in the module 5, project management. In the module 5, management, project management. The next topic is after the completion of project report, significance and needs of project report. What are the contents we are going to set in the project report of these topics? The next topic is project formulation. What do you mean by this project formulation? A process is a collection of interrelated actions and activities that take place in order to achieve a set of previously specified products or results or services. Okay, and then the project team is in charge of executing the formulation, evaluation, and project management process. Project formulation is a concise, exact statement of a project to set the boundaries or limits of works to be performed by the project. Okay, project formulation is nothing but a what? It's going to set a boundary or limits of works to be performed by the project team. And then it is a formal document that gives a distinctive identifier of the project and precise meaning of the project work to prevent conflict and confusion or overlap. Okay, it's like our guide. Okay, it's like our manual. Okay, and then project formulation can be also defined as one of the stage in the life cycle of the project. There are different life cycle will be there in the project life in the project process. The project formulation is the one of the stages. Okay, that is nothing but initialization, the first step. Conceptualization or initialization. The first step, what we're going to discuss, we already discussed the different stages in the life cycle of the project. The first step is nothing but project formulation, like that only. The formulation stages is also called initialization, conceptualization, definition, pre-project. Okay, that is the first step. Okay, that is nothing but a project formulation. And then the next topic is project analysis. Okay, project analysis, a step-by-step breakdown of phases of a process used to convey the inputs, outputs, and operations that takes place during each phase. A process analysis can be used to improve understanding of how the process operates and to determine potential targets for process improvement through removing waste and increasing efficiency. And also the company should conduct a few analysis like or as follows, like marketing analysis, technical analysis, financial analysis, and then feasibility analysis. Okay, what do you mean by this marketing analysis? Marketing analysis covers the areas like nature of market, cost of production, selling price, demand, profit, market share, etc. Technical analysis is nothing but studies project location, size of plant and building, availability of raw material, machinery, equipment, and other utilities, processes, waste management, manpower requirement. These are all the different technical analysis we need to do. And then some of the aspects involved in the financial analysis are capital cost, source of finance, break-even analysis, return on investment, cost of labor and technology. Social feasibility analysis takes place upon various societal and environmental impact of our project on the societal. Okay, what our project will going to impact on society, and that is nothing but a social feasibility analysis. Okay, and then the next step is project evaluation and selection. How we're going to evaluate and select the project, identify the project that support the strategy, evaluate and prioritize the project, select and initiate the projects and review the project regularly. These are all the different stages we need to follow while doing evaluation and selection of the project. I hope all of you understand. Very simple, four steps: identify the project, evaluate the project, select the project, and review the project regularly. That is the four step we need to follow in the selection and evaluation of the project. And then project financing. What do you mean by this project financing? A project financing is the financing of long-term infrastructure, the industrial projects and product public services based upon the non-recourse or limited recourse financial structure, in which project debit or equity used to finance the project are paid back from the cash flow generated by the project. Project financing is a loan structure that relies primarily on the project cash flow for repayment, which the project assets, rights, and interests held as secondary securely or collateral. Project finance is especially attractive to the private sector because companies can fund major projects off balance sheet. Okay, these are all the different strategies we need to follow while doing the project financing. And then project implementation phase. Okay, what is the project implementation phase? Initiation phase, that is something about idea, definition phase, what we need to do, design phase, how we need to do, development phase, how to implement, implementation phase, how we can implement, what actually implement, and then follow-up phase, that is something about maintenance phase. And then human and administrative aspects of project management, nail down project details, identify projects and team requirements, be the project leader, keep the communication line open, attain pertaining documentation, manage project risk, avoid scope creep, test deliverables, evaluate the project. These are all the different human and administrative aspects of the project. Okay, and then in detail, I'm not going to explain very understanding. Okay, nail down project details means we should know everything about project details and then identify project and team requirements. What are the team members we require for the particular project we need to do, and then be the project leader, keep the communication line open. Of course, we should open for communication. We should take review feedback from the clients or customers or from the workers. Add pertinent documentation. We should do the documentation, manage project risk, avoid scope creep. Okay, test deliverables, evaluate the project. Avoid scope creep is nothing but continuously. We don't take the false or unnecessary glitches. We don't make unnecessary glitches between customers and company. Okay, that is something about avoid scope creep. And then test deliverables, we should do the test for our end project and then evaluate the project continuously. We need to the end project evaluation. And then prerequisite is for successful project implementation, adequate formulation. Of course, project formulation should be there, sound organization should be there, perfect hierarchy should be there, proper implementation planning, advanced action we should take, timely availability of funds, judicious equipment, tendering and procurement, better contract management, effective monitoring, prepare the infrastructure. These are all the different prerequisites we should know for project implementation. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.